Some of my friendships happen in the metro. Obviously, you're meeting the same people in the metro and stuff. And my life, I used to plan my dates or meeting people or going for shopping or doing anything on the metro route and stuff because I knew every 5 seconds or 8 seconds there is a metro and stuff. Okay, so now when did the question of why is the caption giving? Okay, the law of giving. So I thought that यार everybody does this. सब उठते हैं, सब जाते हैं, सब करते हैं, सब आते हैं वापस, फिर चार्ज होके जाते हैं. So there's no reason to complain. Okay. And yes, of course, there were days when when you're loaded with work and stuff, and you have to kind of get up and recharge and reboot and take that 1.5 hour of a journey. Before that, go to the metro and drive. Okay, so as I used to drive in the metro, I happened to meet this lady, and I asked her, generally speaking, what does she do? So she said she was just in her 30s and stuff, and she shifted from a small city. She was in Delhi, and she wanted to float an NGO of her own and stuff. And I asked her this question that, you just shifted and you just come from a small city. What makes you think Delhi is going to be the place for you and stuff? And all she said was, the plan is just to do something, and the plan is to just try my luck out and get into some causes of humanitarian and give, and then if it works it works, if it doesn't work I go back. And she said, I've given myself 2 years of time to think about it. I'm only in my 30s and stuff, and I think I could do that. Okay, so she tried really hard, but I think the plan of launching the NGO didn't happen. And she joined an NGO. She invited me for a drum circle and stuff. And that's where my first experience of the law of giving happened. So the law of purpose was, of course, what are we here for? The second was, how do I give? And I used to think to myself that here is this one lady. She's come from a far-fetched place, and she started from a scratch. And here I am, in a city, all privileged, with all the infrastructures, all the jobs, a good salary, a set of friends and stuff, and a much more blessed, thanks to whatever background I have and stuff, and of course your own confidence and stuff. And I used to think myself, how do I give? How do I give? And I would like look at people. I had a culture shock, initially, because I used to look at people, and they used to be like in the best of cars, most expensive of vehicles and stuff, and they would spend like $1,000 to $2,000 on a movie or popcorns and having your what do you call Sundays and food and stuff. And here we are from an Air Force background thinking, oh my god, if I were to spend that much of